Hello friends, today I'm going to give a review of Honor smartwatch, which is cost about around 3000. So I have purchased this Honor Band 5 from Amazon, and it is amazing if you are a fitness freak or a sports person. You are going to love this Honor smartwatch. It is having an AMOLED display, colorful watch face. It's a nice packing. It's having a very nice packing. It's just looking like this. It's having a cost around 2999. You can see over here. It's cost around 2999, and it is Huawei technology, manufactured by Huawei technology. Just have a look. It's a pink color band. It's having a pink color band. The displays just look like uh, analog watch. This is somehow given a QR code for registration. So what's all about in the Honor 5 band? It is having a large AMOLED screen, stylish watch face, scientific sleep monitoring with a sleep stage, y2 true scene tm 3.0, heart rate monitor, water resistance up to 50 meter. It means if you are in 50-meter depth of water, it can resist water. Swim stroke recognition. It means while you are swimming and giving strokes by hand, it can recognize that and calculate the energy burned by your body. Multi sports function: swimming, cycling, running. It means you can use in swimming, cycling, running, and even you can use this for uh, at the time of sleeping. It is having a smart notifications, calls. You can check the views on calls, messages you can see on. And the basic and most important feature which I liked in it is the 14-day battery backup. This is the most uh, advantageous feature. So it is having a Bluetooth connection, Huawei Technologies Co Limited. Okay, now I'm going to unbox this watch. So okay, and now I'm going to unbox. So let's see, where is the seal. This is the seal. Here it comes, from where you can open the box. Just try to see what's inside the box. It's having a very good packing. Just look like this. Here comes the smartwatch, MI smartwatch. It is also having some warranty cards. All the contents are given over here. Countries where the watch is used, watch can be purchased. I have purchased it from Amazon around a cost of 2199 in rupees. This is the warranty card. Just keep it one side. There is also a quick guide given in this. Quick guide how to use. There is a quick guide, quick to start guide, quick to use, how can we use this. It is printed in various languages. I think Chinese language and somehow. Okay, I'm going to keep it side. Now I'm going to unbox the watch. What's inside the box? This is the smartwatch. It's looking amazing. You can see it. there is sensor which senses the pulse rate from the hand or wrist of the person who is wearing it. It is having this thing. Along with this, there is a polythene. Let's see what's inside this polythene. There is a USB cable which can be used to charge the smartwatch. Here it looks like there is a two slots are given over here where you can put your smartwatch being charged to how being charged. Okay, let's open it. Just look like this. And I think it's going to fit like this. Okay, this is how you can fix the watch in the USB port where you can charge it, and you can put in the laptop or some charger of mobile charger you can use to charge it. Okay, USB is given, just keeping it aside. Let's start the watch. First of all, I am going to remove the plastic. Somehow it's not starting. Just take a look from the background. There are the sensors given which can sense the pulse rate, oxygen content, and the calorie being burned by the person who is wearing it. Okay, and so this is the watch. When I push the start button, it's look like this. It's saying that health on your phone and pair with your band Honor 5P. Just look what connect to charging base your band. Connect the charging base to power on. So the band looking like this. While touching, the touch is very good. So it's showing like this.